Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your touchscreen not responding on VIVO V60E. Let's begin. So, you are coming to this video from two main reasons. Either A, you have recently installed a new screen protector or something similar and your touchscreen isn't as responsive as it used to be. Or B, your touchscreen froze to death and you can't do anything, and yeah, you can't do anything. So in this video, I will try to help with both of these issues. Number one is surprisingly easy to fix. You have probably installed your screen protector wrong, or it's not official one, because if you install screen protectors from poor quality that are cheap, then the quality is really poor and usually the touches aren't just not as good as before. However, in software terms, there is one thing that we can check, and it can be found in the settings after scrolling down and heading into shortcuts and accessibility. In here, we can scroll all the way down, and we have mistouch prevention, and that will prevent accidental touches in the pocket. If you feel like your touchscreen isn't as responsive, technically this could be the case, but most of the time it's not, it's just screen protector. Alternatively, you can head into accessibility and then scroll all the way down into timing controls, which can change how, for example, long you have to touch and hold in order to use touch and hold mechanic. But once again, this doesn't really do anything. You also have like some sort of autoclick, but unfortunately it doesn't really matter because it only works if you have mouse connected to your device, not your fingers. So yeah, that's not really enough. Anyway, let's end the A part and let's begin the B part. So let's say that our touchscreen is frozen like this and we cannot do anything. Well, in order to fix frozen touchscreen, all you want to do is just perform a soft reset, which is just a fancy word for turning off and turning on your phone again. But note that I don't mean something like this using the power button, because it will do nothing essentially. You want to completely power off your device, like at all. And in order to do that, we want to press and hold the power button and volume down button. This is very interesting because if we press and hold volume up power button with volume up button, we can see something like this. But like seeing that your touchscreen isn't responsive, then you probably don't have this option available. So instead, we want to press and hold power button and volume down button for the same time for at least 10 seconds. And the funny thing is, if we start doing that, so if we start pressing power button with volume down button, we can see that we are actually performing a screenshot, and we want to ignore performing that screenshot. We just want to keep holding, and from my experience, this could take even more than 10 seconds. But okay, this time was pretty okay. So now we are restarting our VIVO phone, and after it's done restarting, we should have our touchscreen working again without any issues whatsoever, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.